How to fix Messenger story not showing problem. Let's get started. Firstly, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Messenger and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch it. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner, you can find 3 bars. Click on it. Now click on the settings icon. Head towards the option of privacy and safety. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll all the way down. You will find the option of story controls. Open it. Now, first you will see this option of who can see your story. Check in for the option of public or friends. Likewise, click on this option of stories you have muted. Make sure you haven't selected anyone. Likewise, toggle on for the option of new stories notification dot. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Messenger story not showing problem. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.